Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. Now we will start our lesson number 23. The topic is, what is the difference between with Muddah and without Muddah words? With Muddah words will be stretched less than with Madda. Okay, without Madda words will be stretched less than with Madda words. Okay, first of all, you will, I will read for you. We will start with dua. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي واجعل لي وزيرا من أهلي. First, I will read for you and then you will repeat after me. Ba alif zabar ba. Okay. Ba waw pesh bu. Ba ya zer bi. Ba alif mad zabar ba. Ba waw pesh bu. Ba ya zer bi. Ba bu bi. Ba bu bi. Sa su si sa su si. Ba ja sa sha ma'aha su'i ata'an usa'an nisa'an ada'un sawa'un jaza'un bala'un dima'akum hunafa'a wara'ahu awliya'u ji'a si'a yudi'u bari'un khati'atuhu. Okay. You can understand easily that ba and only one alif will be stretched only the quantity of one alif. Okay. Ba, bu, bi. And this madda will be stretched with the quantity of 3 alif to 5 alif. Okay. 3 alif to 5 alif. Okay. So